Okay, so this one's going to be a little bit tricky, guys, because this particular design, GMC is made by Goodman, and this particular design, they got everything right in front of the squirrel cage. So yeah, this one will be fun to take apart. First thing I'm going to do, though, is I have a secondary transformer here just for my zone board on this system. So I'm going to start by just getting that out of the way, and then I can kind of wiggle around the other stuff to get this apart. And then this other stuff, I'm hoping I can just, somebody's tied it together right here. This other stuff I can just hopefully just squeeze the side, because the squirrel cage compared to the width of the furnace, there's quite a bit of room on each side. So hopefully I can get by just taking out the least amount possible. All right. So I'll just take my low voltage straight off the board. Make that as easy as possible, and then, oh wow, I got my common screwed in right there. There's all my low voltage stuff. I'll just lay this over to the side. Okay, now I just got to get the transformer out. I pulled this high voltage wires to the side and should be able to squeeze it out from there. I'll need that later. Alright, so I just got to undo my blower motor wires, and then I can lay all this to one side. Once I take off this separate panel for the board, it should be able to pull right out. Okay, nearly got it, guys. One last screw. Alrighty. Lay that to the side. Got my wires for my motor pulled out here. Now this is just pull this over to the side. Ain't gotta unhook anything else. And 2 screws, and this will slide on out. As you can see, this thing has never been touched. Sure. All right, let's get this wheel cleaned up. Alrighty. Alrighty, y'all, that's a lot better. So I'll let this dry, and we can throw her back in and get all our wiring hooked back up. Alrighty, y'all, getting it put back in. Let's see. Sorry if y'all are looking at the ground for a second. All right. That to the side. Okay. Got that in. Just got to get my screws, and then I can. Then we can remount my board. Alright. Alright, let's get our board back attached. This is the stupidest design to me. At least on this one I had room on each side to kind of wrap it around, move wires, but yeah, and they still do this, some brands, and it's just stupid. The bottom screw in. Now we can wire everything back up. Okay, so I'll start to get my fan wires put back. So your brown wires here go to your capacitor, which is up top. Alright, and now white is neutral. So I had a neutral plug right here, just a whole row of them. It's all full, so I'll go back on the one here. It's our neutral. Alright, black and blue, they can run off the cool speed, so they'll go up top for cooling. blue just below that. And then red is our for heating. Right here. All right. Just take a zip towel, strap this back up. All right, guys. So got my fan wires done. Got my transformer mounted back. For the zone board, and for most of y'all that's not aware, a zone board, depending on which brand, most all of them, zone boards cannot run off the system transformer. They have to have an independent transformer just for the zone board. If not, there's times where it can pull the voltage down too low, cause the system to trip out. And cause other problems. So always have an independent transformer if you're running a zone board. So, but let's get everything wired back up here. Let's see. Got my main high voltage. Get that put back together. Let's see. Gotta leg it off to the transformer. Okay. So green and red is my low voltage. Neutrals put back. Oh, shoot. All right, guys, I got my high voltage connected back, and got to get my low voltage connected, and this thing will be about ready to get back underway. So most of these connections just went straight to the board. Just pretty simple. Red, green, white, and common one just went to a screw hole pretty much. Eyelet on it. Same with the ground from the high voltage. So I'll get that screwed back. So let's get our two wires wired up here for our transformer. Find some better wire nuts. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. screw there. And let's wrap this up. Alrighty, guys. Alrighty, guys. Another one done. Thanks for watching, guys.